Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you some Lightfast tests that I have made. So these are watercolor swatches that I have painted. I cut them into half, and for the top half I pasted them onto the window and they were exposed to sunlight for a period of 6 months. The bottom half was kept in the cupboard. So I actually made an earlier version of this video showing all the color swatches, but that took way too much time, so I'm just going to show you the colors that have faded. This is Permanent Orange P064 from Pwc Blue. So this is the original color and this is how it looks after 6 months. So the color has faded and I can almost see the white of the paper. Now for colors that fade, obviously you do not want to use them to create display art. If you are using colors in sketchbooks, it's alright, but don't use them for display art. This is Pwc Permanent Violet Pv3. The original color is very intense, but after 6 months it has faded to the point that you can almost see the white of the paper. So this is another color you do not want to use in your paintings if you have to frame up your paintings. And one thing I've learned is if the name has this word permanent in it, it doesn't mean that the color is permanent or archival. It means something else. This is Kusakabe Sap Green PG36 and PY100. I'm not sure if my camera can capture the color accurately, but these two colors, they are slightly different. So when you have a color that uses multiple pigments and one of the pigment actually fade, color will change. So this green on the right side looks like it has a bit more yellow to it compared to this on the left. This is Kusakabe PR4. The original is very intense and I can see some fading here. This is Crimson Lake PR83 from Shinhan Pwc. Now other brands call this color Alizarin Crimson, and PR83 is supposed to be a color that is fugitive. It can fade, but for some reason here I don't see significant fading. In fact, it looks almost like the original, so I'm not sure what's wrong here. Maybe I used too much paint, but later on I'm going to show you another PR83 that has faded. This is Kusakabe Rose Madder PR83. So you can see here this has faded. This is the original, and this color actually looks different compared to the color from earlier. You can see this PR83 is different from this PR83 from Shinhan Pwc. We have another PR83 here, Alizarin Crimson from Jackson's Art, and I don't see any significant fading here. So we have PR83 for these three colors, and the colors, they all look different and the names are different as well. It's not surprising to have different colors made from the same pigment, such as PBR7, PR101, PV19. So if you really want to get the right color, I do recommend you do some research online and also check out the Lightfast info if there is any. So if you want to use PR83 from other brands, I highly recommend you test out the color first to see if it's actually Lightfast. And this is also from Kusakabe PB27. Here it has faded as well. It's now like a turquoise light color. The original color definitely looks like a Prussian Blue. This is also PB27, also Prussian Blue, but this is from Mission Gold and I don't see any fading. This is Shinhan HWC Prussian Blue PB27, and it looks like there is very slight fading for this blue. PY1 is supposed to be a fugitive color, and this is Permanent Yellow Light from Shinhan Pwc. This version looks pretty Lightfast to me. And here we have another Permanent Yellow Light, also from Shinhan. The earlier version is Pwc. This is Shinhan HWC. Pwc, by the way, the P means professional or premium. So if you want to go for the better quality, go for the Pwc, go for the professional. And here, this is Py83 and Py74, no fading here. This is genuine lapis lazuli made by Nila Colori. This is supposed to be a very expensive pigment. So here I can see the color is slightly lighter compared to the original. Maya green from Nila Colori as well. I can see slight difference here. This looks like a bit lighter compared to the original. Nila Colori Wild Yellow NY2. So the original yellow is not very intense to begin with, and after 6 months you can see the yellow is almost gone. Chanel Magenta NR4. So this has faded quite obviously. And notice the pigment, it starts with N instead of the usual P. Nila Colori Madari Garance Red NR9. So here there is slight fading. Mission Gold Bright Opera PR122 and BV10. The original color, it's very intense, it's almost fluorescent. After 6 months the color has faded, so now it's more washed out, more pastel-like. Testing colors for their Lightfast quality is time-consuming and tedious, but it does provide some interesting insight into certain colors. So for example, PR83, which is supposed to be a fugitive color for certain brands, it's quite fade-proof. So based on the test that I have seen here, in terms of price, value, and quality, if you really want affordable, good quality watercolor, you can consider getting Jackson's Art, Mission Gold, Shinhan Pwc, and White Knights. So those brands, they are more affordable compared to Daniel Smith, Schmincke, and My Marie Blue, and of course Winsor and Newton. I will continue to test these colors for another 6 months, but I won't be making another video for them. I'll just post the color swatches on my blog. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below what you think. Have you used any colors that are not Lightfast, that have faded over the years? I would love to hear from you. Oh, before you go, I just want to let you know that I am selling off some excess watercolor paint to make space to get more colors to test and also to make more watercolor videos like this. So if you're interested to get some watercolor, check out the list of colors that I have available for sale through the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!